Let's explore the deeper layers of esoteric knowledge, focusing on spiritual rebirth and the ascent of divine energy through the spine. This timeless wisdom offers a path to self-realization and spiritual awakening. Central to this transformation is the activation of a dormant energy, often symbolized as a coiled serpent resting at the base of the spine. When this energy awakens, it rises through the chakras, the body's energy centers, initiating a profound spiritual transformation. As this energy ascends, it brings expanded consciousness, growth, and enlightenment. A significant figure who delved into these mysteries was Dr. George W. Carey, a prominent physician and author from the late 19th and early 20th centuries. In his book, Dr. Carey explored the connection between human physiology and spirituality, drawing on ancient esoteric teachings. He decoded the symbolic language found in religious texts, especially the Bible, presenting them as metaphors for self-realization and spiritual enlightenment. Dr. Carey's work reveals that these teachings are more than just historical accounts. They depict a spiritual journey unfolding within the human body. One of his key insights is that the Christ essence is not an external figure, but a divine energy within each person. This energy, likened to an oil, resides in the spinal cord and ascends to bring about spiritual resurrection. The journey described in these ancient texts is not literal, but a symbolic guide to enlightenment. The Bible's narratives of birth, death, and resurrection represent an inner transformation where the divine essence rises within us. In this context, the pineal and pituitary glands, symbolized as Joseph and Mary, play a crucial role in this process. These glands produce sacred fluids, melatonin from the pineal, the honey, and hormones like oxytocin from the pituitary, the milk. Together, they form the land of milk and honey, and their union in the brain is known as the sacred secretion. This event, often referred to as Golgotha, the place of the skull, symbolizes the birth of a spiritual child within, representing a state of heightened consciousness. The pineal gland, or the third eye, plays a central role in spiritual awakening, offering intuition and deeper spiritual insight. When activated, it expands awareness, helping us connect more deeply with the divine. The pituitary gland, the counterpart to the pineal, also has a vital function, regulating hormonal balance and aiding the spiritual process. Esoteric teachings suggest that this process occurs cyclically, every 29 days, in alignment with the lunar phases. As the moon moves through the zodiac, spending around 2.5 days in each sign, it syncs with the body's rhythms, creating moments of spiritual activation. This process peaks when the moon is in your birth zodiac sign, offering an ideal time for spiritual practices that activate the divine potential within you. Tracking the lunar cycle is key to aligning with this energy. On the day the moon enters your sun sign, you can engage in specific rituals to facilitate spiritual awakening. During this alignment, changes occur within the pineal and pituitary glands, enhancing both spiritual and physical states. To support this process, spiritual traditions emphasize the importance of lifestyle choices, abstaining from alcohol, animal-based foods, and excess, while maintaining peace and purity. These practices help cultivate the divine essence within and prepare the body for the sacred transformation. To aid in this spiritual journey, here are some simple guidelines to follow during the lunar cycle. 1. Start your preparations a few days before the moon enters your sun sign, aiming to purify your body and mind. 2. Stimulate your creative energy through artistic expressions like writing, painting, or music. 3. Keep yourself well rested and hydrated to support your body during this process. 4. Follow a plant-based diet to align your physical being with spiritual purity. 5. Practice meditation to quiet your mind and connect with your higher self. 6. Being around animals can bring peace and enhance your spiritual experience. 7. Avoid conflicts and negative emotions, focusing instead on peace and mindfulness. 8. Refrain from alcohol and sexual activities to preserve your energy and support spiritual growth. 9. Avoid overeating and maintain a balanced lifestyle during this period. 10. Use visualization techniques to direct energy through your chakras and prepare your body for spiritual activation. You can also try the following visualization to guide the Christ energy up your spine. 1. Find a quiet place where you won't be interrupted. Sit or lie down comfortably and take a few deep breaths, relaxing with each exhale. 2. Focus on your spine, visualizing a warm, radiant energy at its base. Picture this energy rising slowly, one vertebra at a time, as you breathe in. 3. Imagine this energy passing through each chakra, revitalizing them as it moves upward. Pay special attention to the third eye chakra, located at the pineal gland. 4. As the energy reaches the crown of your head, visualize it expanding, filling your skull with light. Envision it stimulating both the pineal and pituitary glands, fostering spiritual connection and awareness. 5. Hold this image for a moment, basking in the warmth and vitality before gently returning to your usual awareness. This path of self-realization is deeply personal and requires dedication, discipline, and a commitment to understanding your inner being. Are you ready to unlock the ancient wisdom encoded in the universe's very fabric? From ancient civilizations to modern interpretations, numbers have long served as symbols of deeper meanings, offering insights into personal growth and spiritual evolution. In today's journey, we embark on a captivating exploration into the sacred geometry of numbers, unveiling the profound messages woven into the very fabric of the universe. Numbers, beyond their mathematical role, hold a deeper essence, reflecting the vibrations of creation itself. At the heart of this exploration is the realization that numbers are not just symbols, but dynamic geometric patterns resonating with energetic frequencies. Each number within the sequence of the universe carries its unique vibration, echoing across the cosmos. The sacred geometry of numbers acts as a symbolic language, a way the universe communicates wisdom and insights that transcend ordinary understanding. By deciphering these geometric patterns, we unlock a wealth of hidden messages. These messages often appear as synchronicities, patterns, and subtle signs, guiding us along our spiritual path. The sacred geometry of numbers invites us to dive deep within, decoding the symbolic meanings behind numerical sequences. Each number embodies unique qualities and attributes, symbolizing different aspects of life. Through this exploration, we begin to see the connections between numbers and the universal principles that govern all creation. It reveals the underlying order and harmony that unites everything, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all things through this sacred language. As we delve deeper, we uncover the keys to unlocking the universe's hidden messages. Attuning ourselves to the subtle frequencies within numbers opens doors to synchronicities, alignment, and spiritual revelations. Join us as we explore the profound mysteries of the sacred geometry of numbers and unlock the universe's hidden messages. As we continue, it becomes clear that each numerical sequence holds a vibration that influences our experiences. The universe communicates through numbers, guiding our path of self-discovery and spiritual growth. These numerical patterns manifest in our daily lives, often overlooked, but serving as subtle hints toward deeper understanding. Synchronicities in these numbers guide us into alignment with the universal flow. By paying attention to these signs, we deepen our connection with the divine intelligence that permeates all existence. Numerology also shows us the deep relationship between numbers and nature's cycles. From the Fibonacci sequence in seashells to the golden ratio in life's designs, numbers are intricately woven into the natural world. The study of sacred geometry provides insight into the order that governs the cosmos, taking us beyond math into the realm of consciousness. These numerical frequencies resonate with different aspects of our being. By understanding their symbolic meanings, we can use their energetic properties for personal growth and spiritual transformation. The study of sacred geometry offers us a path of self-discovery, showing us our place in the universe. Join us on this transformative journey as we unravel the mysteries of the sacred geometry of numbers and reveal the hidden messages from the universe. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Stay curious, stay open, and keep exploring the mysteries around us.